Okay guys, today we are going hunting for the most elusive animal in the North Carolina woods, the albino orange squirrel. Our hunter today will be Dylan, a squirrel expert with his new something rifle, which he will have to explain to us. Dylan, tell the viewers about your rifle.
It's awesome, it's big, and it shoots metal stuff that looks orange. Perfect for the albino squirrel. He loves orange, I think.
Okay, let's go hunting, Dylan. Dylan, slow down. Slow down.
Hey, guys. Yeah, how you like that? Yeah.
What'd you shoot, Dylan?
That tree, as you can see the little shot mark.
Okay, well, can we go now?
Maybe.
I think we were hunting for a squirrel, Dylan.
Oh yeah, squirrel. Tree branches. Wait, is that the squirrel? I'll find out. No, that's not the squirrel.
Did the squirrel hide in that old bus up there, Dylan?
That's a bus.
I'm sorry, viewers, but you can't see it at the moment, but there is a humongous bus out there. Dylan will now show us.
Well, that could be full of snakes. I'm not stupid enough to go in there. Ooh, border potty! Yeah!
It's not full of snakes. Don't go in there. We're going to walk right by it.
Just so all you stupid little turdy snakes know, I got me a big 22 something caliber, like 79 caliber rifle. It comes with an automatic and a scope, which I could not seem to find. And Justin won't give me it.
That would be because the scope sucks. Just letting all you viewers know that.
Oh yeah!
Ow, my leg! Can we please get past the school bus, Dylan?
Maybe. Hey, get off of me, spotter.
What? Okay.
Shooting down that lake.
Dylan, I saw something over there. It looks like a squirrel. Dylan, go investigate. I will follow closely behind.
That's a messed up bus right there.
Guys, I had to tell you, but that's not the bus. It's the albino squirrel in its natural habitat, camouflaged. Dylan, you must go to the other side, shoot through a window, and it will be dead. Other side. Other side. Come on, this way. We must. I found the metal pipe, peoples. See, peoples? I have located the albino squirrel that is orange and blue.
Albino pygmy squirrel. I killed it, yeah.
Yes! The albino squirrel, peoples, is now dead.
See that big thing right there? That's my albino squirrel. Oh yeah.
And for more videos from Justin's Nature Analog with Dylan as the hunter, log on to youtube.com and search Nature at its worst.